Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to convert Excel to PDF format without losing your formatting settings. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the File tab just by left clicking on it one time. Now that you've done that, you want to go ahead and left click on Save As, and then select whatever location you want to save it in. For Save As type, you want to click inside this drop down and select PDF, and then if you want to open it up after publishing or after saving, you want to keep it checkmarked, and then left click on Save. So it should open up Microsoft Edge here because I don't have Adobe Reader or Adobe PDF Reader installed. But just to give you guys an idea, this is a PDF file at this time. If you had Adobe Reader installed and it was your default PDF reader, it would open up in Adobe Reader instead. And you can see we have preserved what was currently on our Excel sheet. So definitely a neat little feature to know about. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.